Ever wondered why some people wake up feeling like superheroes while the rest of us roll out of bed like creaky robots? Here's a wild truth. What you eat before bed could be secretly training your muscles while you sleep. Yeah, no gym, just your fork. Food isn't just fuel, it's instruction. It tells your body what to repair, how to recover, and even how to store energy. And if you're eating the right foods before bedtime, your body could be prepping for strength gains while you dream about pancakes. In this video, I'll walk you through the top 8 bedtime foods that could help you feel stronger, build lean muscle, and wake up feeling like your body actually rested. And trust me, food number 3 will absolutely flip what you thought about snacking on its head. So grab your blanket, settle in, and let's turn your late-night cravings into overnight power boosts. Ready? Let's dig in. What if your nighttime snack could actually build muscle while you sleep? Greek yogurt is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles over several hours. It's like the slow-drip coffee of the protein world. Except instead of keeping you awake, it nourishes your body while you sleep. This thick, creamy delight delivers about 20 grams of protein per serving, with minimal sugar if you go for the plain kind. It also contains calcium, which plays a role in muscle contractions and bone strength. The best part? It's incredibly satisfying, keeping you full and curbing those midnight snack raids. You can mix it with berries, honey, or a sprinkle of cinnamon to sweeten the deal without wrecking your progress. And guess what? That bedtime bowl could be the tastiest way to repair, rebuild, and recharge overnight. Almonds. They're more than just a heart-healthy snack. These tiny tree nuts are basically a nighttime treasure chest. Almonds are rich in magnesium, which is crucial for both sleep quality and muscle function. Magnesium helps relax muscles, reduce cramps, and improve overall recovery, especially important if you work out or spend long hours on your feet. Plus, they contain protein and healthy fats that provide slow-digesting energy throughout the night. No sugar crashes here, just smooth sailing till sunrise. Toss back a small handful before bed or stir some almond butter into a warm drink. Either way, your muscles will thank you in the morning. Coming up next, a food so soothing, it might as well come with a lullaby. Ever peeled a banana before bed? It might just be the simplest, strength-boosting bedtime ritual you can try. Bananas are packed with potassium and magnesium, both essential for preventing muscle cramps and encouraging restful sleep. They also contain vitamin B6, which helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin, hormones that regulate mood and sleep cycles. The natural sugars in bananas are balanced by their fiber content, which means you get a gentle energy release without spiking your blood sugar. That makes them a perfect option if you're feeling snacky but don't want to mess with your metabolism. Slice it, mash it, or eat it straight from the peel. Either way, you're getting a soft, sweet powerhouse of recovery. Hold on tight. This one might surprise you. Cottage cheese is the sleeper hit, pun intended, of muscle-friendly nighttime snacks. It's loaded with casein protein, just like Greek yogurt, and delivers it in a soft, spoonable form that keeps your muscles nourished for hours. It's also rich in leucine, an amino acid that plays a major role in muscle protein synthesis. That means your body can actually build and repair tissue while you're off in dreamland. Add a few berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon if you need a flavor boost. The combo of protein and sleep-supporting nutrients is tough to beat. Before we get to number 4, don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Cures for more natural health wisdom, food-based healing, and energy-boosting tips every single week. Now, get ready for a dark delight that could double as dessert. Coming in hot at number 3, this one will blow your mind. Eggs, the humble breakfast staple, are quietly one of the best strength-building foods you can eat before bed. Why? Because eggs are rich in high-quality protein, specifically all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscles. They're like tiny muscle repair kits wrapped in a shell. The best part? That protein isn't just fast digesting. It sticks around to do real work while you sleep. Eggs also contain vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats, all of which support hormone production and overall muscle health. And if you're someone who's active during the day, The recovery your body does at night with this kind of fuel is critical. Hard-boiled, scrambled, or even as part of a bedtime veggie omelet, eggs are incredibly versatile. If you're worried about eating eggs at night, relax. Their protein content actually helps keep you full and your metabolism stable through the night. Now we're climbing even higher. Number 2 is juicy, refreshing, and might just be the tastiest anti-inflammatory snack in your kitchen. Just missing the top spot, number 2 is a total game changer. Tart cherries. Yes, those tangy little fruits pack a serious punch when it comes to muscle recovery and inflammation reduction. Tart cherries are loaded with antioxidants and natural melatonin, a rare combo in the fruit world. Studies suggest they can reduce muscle soreness after intense workouts and improve sleep quality. It's like sending your muscles to a luxury spa while you sleep. Their anti-inflammatory effects also help ease joint pain and reduce oxidative stress, which is essential if you're trying to stay active, mobile, and pain-free as you age. You can enjoy tart cherries as fresh fruit, juice, or even dried, but look for unsweetened versions to avoid a sugar crash. A small glass of tart cherry juice before bed could be your new recovery ritual. And now, the number 1 bedtime food for strength. It's rich, ancient, and backed by science to support muscle growth, deep sleep, and even fat metabolism. Hold on to your seat. Number 1's a wild one. Turkey takes the top spot as the ultimate bedtime food to help you feel stronger in the morning. Because turkey is high in lean protein, especially tryptophan, which helps your body produce melatonin and serotonin. That means better sleep and better muscle recovery. But turkey isn't just a sleep aid. It's a recovery powerhouse. The amino acids in turkey feed your muscles overnight, while the tryptophan helps signal your brain to wind down. It's like a tag team of strength and serenity. Plus, it's low in fat and packed with vitamins B6 and B12, which support energy metabolism and nervous system health. Turkey can be enjoyed in slices, lean meatballs, or even a small bowl of turkey chili. Just make sure to skip the heavy sauces or sodium-rich deli meats. When it comes to bedtime strength foods, turkey wears the crown, and once you try it, you'll see why. So there you have it. Delicious, simple foods that don't just taste great at night, but could help transform the way you feel in the morning. You don't have to overhaul your diet or rely on supplements to boost strength, recovery, and energy. Sometimes it starts with something as small as what's on your plate before bed. From cottage cheese to turkey, each of these foods offers your body a gift, the fuel to heal, grow, and perform better. Now the power is in your hands. Try adding 1 or 2 of these foods into your evening routine and notice the difference. Feel stronger, sleep deeper, wake up ready to take on the world. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Timeless Cures, and share it with someone who could use a nighttime strength boost. Your body will thank you in the morning.